Hey everybody, this video got a master lock number 430. This is like an outboard motor lock apparatus is what this thing is. Person has no key for it, so we need to make a key, and I'm not ready to do that, but it's kind of awkward with this thing actually in this, so I'm gonna pick it and get it out of here. And it's a good time to make a picking video anyway. Yeah, I guess if it's not a good time to make a picking video, the comment section will let me know, I'm sure. So that's just a little 4-pin M1 keyway here. Shouldn't be too hard to pick here, although it is kind of awkward. There it goes. The shackle just drops out. And with the this out of the way here, I can get it in a vise easier and go ahead and get a key impression for it. So anyway, that'll do it for this video, and yeah, I guess that's all I really got. We'll talk to everybody later.